Welcome to second part of this video. No, this is what? Welcome to our second video. Second introduction to our workshop. This is still in progress, but we wanted to show what we have managed to done so far. The biggest difference here is it's my watchmaking box. I made it so first I wanted it to be transparent, so customers can see in it and see all my tools, but I don't want everybody to get access to my tools and parts and stuff like that. Second biggest part for this box is that when I drop some part, it's easier to find in here than it don't have a possibility to go any way far. Third biggest reason for this box is that my daughter can't get in. She can play over here and watch me working, but she don't have an access to play with my tools. I like this really a lot. It has took quite some time because firstly it was grey, and then we sanded it and painted it multiple times to get it truly black. But it's really good. I like it a lot.
There is rytökasa, as we say in Finnish.
So yeah, here is my Seiko auto cleaner. Good machine. I managed to buy it used from an old watchmaker in Finland, and it's good in working condition. I cleaned it and it's really good. Case back opener and glass press. Yeah. Here is my timer grapher. I haven't even got time yet to test it out, really, but hopefully it works. This is the kind of most reasonable price with the automatic position change. Some base movements for the octagon. Yeah, show the light. It's this is cool. I like it a lot. Also, it's because there is some lamps on the roof, but it's roof. Is it roof? Yeah, in there. But those are not bright enough, so I added this LED strips, and it's really cool.
But there is plenty of sunlight.
Yeah, it were a big reason for us why we wanted this place, so I can have a lot of light, because light is good when you are working with the small parts. And
but we don't have our own taping.
Yeah,
logos, and windows are really dirty.
Yeah,
we need to ask a little help to clean those.
Yeah. So yeah, here is going to be my watchmaking bench, and it's an electrical table. I like it, so I want it to be electrical, so I can easily change position for it, so I can work with the loop and work with the microscope easily. It has a couple memory places, so I can easily change the height with it. So the table will be 180 centimeters wide and 80 centimeters deep. In the table will be this lamp. It's good lamp, but it's white, so I prefer it to be black, but it is what it is. Also there will be this vacuum and blower, so I can easily vacuum if there's some dust in parts. Yeah, and also microscope, and there will be some sockets, electrical sockets. Yeah, so this is my booth.
Yeah.
Let's continue our tour. Madlena's workplace.
Throne.
What? Throne. Yeah, throne. Yeah.
I do the social media content and editing pictures and these YouTube videos also.
Yeah. So And Talk with the Makers will be held in here. So there will be some curtains, so it blocks the sound, but we haven't managed to get those yet. And yeah, so Talk with the Makers will be held in here. There is one judgment chair.
And also Emma's chair.
Yes, and also Ryttökasa. I don't like it. You should. Move your stuff over there.
We have also Ryttökasa in there.
Yeah.
But there will be vanished till 8th of June.
Yeah. Oh, here we have the octagon case of it. Yeah. I just received the message. It's kind of funny because I haven't seen it a couple of days, and it's every time I see it, it's really cool. It looks so cool. I like it a lot when there is this polished surface and this straight graining on each side. And also I got the
more pictures coming up.
Yeah.
Now we have this in here, Jyväskylä.
Yep. So just a couple of days ago I got the message from manufacturer that sapphire crystals for it's done and they'll ship it to me soon. So I hopefully in the next video I can show you what kind of the sapphire will be. There will also be this facet, same kind of. You can see it in the website, but yeah, it should be really cool. Here we have managed to get this beautiful vintage mattress. There's octagon, as you can see. I like it a lot. Also, it's in the company colors, black and yellow.
There's a mascot.
Look at my cocks.
Roosters.
Yeah. Are those roosters? Yeah. There's the spirit of the martial arts. I don't know. Fuck the roosters. There's some testosterone in it. Yeah. There is audio stuff. This is the motorized screen. Will be in here. And there will be 3 speakers.
There, and where's one? In your booth.
Yeah, not near in this. So it's looking to my booth. I don't know. It's faced towards my booth.
Yes.
So yeah, we have some art. Fine art will be in the walls.
Picture is cool.
Yeah, I like it a lot. Why I like everything a lot. This is so cool place. It's so cool to see my dream come true.
Can you show the Little Help logo?
Yeah. Ta-da!
That is my business. It says Little Help.
New polishing machine. I managed to buy from the same guy that. Firstly, I bought this machine, and he gave everything that stuff on for free.
For free.
For free. Yeah, laying around. So in this room we don't got yet stuff. Talk up in Finnish, I don't know what it is in English, but I can make galvanizing and plating in it, so it takes the fumes out of here. So I need to clean it and put it in the wall. It will be here. Yep, and the polishing machine will be here, and the laser welding machine, and I ordered the Watchmaker's lathe and CNC, and when those arrive, those will be also in here. I'm really excited to see but we know that lathe is good, it's really good, but we haven't had any, we don't have any knowledge about how good is the CNC machine of his. So I'm really excited I'm waiting it. So we can, hopefully we are going to make you a video about it, unboxing and usage video of it. So you can see if it is any good. But yeah, I invested in those machines at the first or in the early, so I have all the kind of tools that I need, so I can make every part for the watch that I need. So it won't be matter of tools, in-house movement. It's a matter of skill. Nothing happened yet. Yeah, this is Madlena's kingdom. Yes. Yes. We have bought a second fridge in here. Some tables. Here we don't have
anything.
It's in the wrong side.
Nee.
It's in the wrong side.
Yes, it is.
There hasn't happened anything new. Yeah. So this is our. How do I say it? This far we are. So far. This we have managed to do so far, and yeah. We'll make another video, third video when it's done, when I have graduated. So see you then. Thank you very much for your time, and please share, subscribe, and check out Reigi. See you in the next round. Os.